Hey, what's up, Dani here, and welcome to my channel and another video. Today I'm back with another unboxing. So I finally got a hold of the Monsta X comeback of Reason, and I ordered all 4 versions just a few days ago, and I already got them all here, so let's have a look. So again, I got this from the same place as I got the season's greetings from. So I got another thank you card, and I got some more photo cards, extra photo cards. So from the place where I ordered, so I got a Hyungwon one. And I got Ki-hyun and Juhani. And I got a Minhyuk one. So that's pretty cool. So yes, so that's the extras. And here we have the 4 versions of Reason. So let's have a look. Alright, so here we have versions 1 through 4. So let's start with the first one and then go through to all 4. Alright, so version 1 is the black version. So let's have a look. I actually really like how they wrote Reason. At first, I'm gonna be honest, I didn't even read it as a Reason. I was like, what does it even mean? Because the E and A connection was like confusing to me at first. But now when I obviously now I know it. I know what it says, but I think it's really cool. The whole I like that font, so it's pretty cool. So yes, let's have a look. Okay, so that's a sleeve. So they kept the same kind of packaging as with One of a Kind. Just instead of the square, they have the wider version. So yes. So anyway, you have the photo book, some extras on the inside, and the CD. So I'm gonna flip through the photo book in a second. And then I guess a track list. So yes, Beautiful Liar, Daydream. I love this song. Daydream and let's see. Daydream and Crescendo. They're my favorite songs. And of course Beautiful Liar, because it's so rocky and I love it. But yes, Daydream and Crescendo, I love these songs. So yes, this is the track list. So we got Minhyuk on this page. Then we got the 2 songs. Then we get Ki-hyun. Really like that photo shoot. Then we got Crescendo and Lone Ranger. Then we got Hyungwon. Then we got Juhani and the Deny song. And the last, I don't even know what the English song is right now. I just lost it. Gwanchanha. I don't even know what this was. What's the last song of the track list? I don't even know. Wait, it probably says on here somewhere, does it? No, it doesn't. Oh well, whatever. Doesn't really matter. So then we have Jungkyun and the group photo. So that's the track list. Then we have the poster. Oh, it's very glossy. So here we have the poster. I love these outfits, they're so cool. Like Monsta X and their photo shoots, they're just always top notch. That's why I always want all versions, because I can never choose one. So, yes. Okay, so let's turn this around because they're all the wrong way. So, okay, so then we have the CD, obviously. So, then we have, what's this? Ooh. We get postcard size of Hyungwon and that last photo shoot, which is really cool. I really like that whole frame thing, but we're gonna see this in one of the versions, in the last one, I think. So yes, I got a Hyungwon postcard size. And then I guess we get a bookmark or something. Yes, it's again Hyungwon. So this seems very Hyungwon heavy, which I don't complain. He's so cute, look at him. So, got that. And then we get 2 photo cards. So the first one is Minhyuk and Juhani. And the other one is Juhani. So that's what we have in this version. So I'm just gonna do a flip through the photo book. If you don't want to look at the photo book, I will leave the timeline in the description so you can skip to the next version, so you don't have to look through all of the flip throughs. So yes, but anyway, so let's see. Alright, so this was version 1, so let's get to the next one. Alright, so here we have version 2, which is the red version. So let's have a look at this one. Alright, so we have the photo book here. I'm gonna have a flip through for this one in a bit as well. And then we have again the track list, which I'm gonna show because it has different pictures. So again we have Minhyuk. I like the red, like in their outfits. Then we have Kihyun. And Hyungwon. Chuhani. Jungkyun. I like that foggy, that fog that surrounds them. It's like it makes the picture look different, and I like it. And the group picture. So that's this track list. Then we have the CD again. Poster. I actually prefer the smaller posters instead of the big ones we got occasionally, so they're so much more handy, so yes. Then we have again the postcard size, and this is Minhyuk. Again from the same photo shoot, from the 4th one. Then we have the bookmark, whatever, photo strip. And this time we have Kihyun. Oh, that's great. I barely get Kihyun like in anything, so look at him. I love him so much. So yes, so that's that. And then we get the 2 photo cards. So we have Jungkyun and I guess so that's another duo, and we get Hyungwon and Kihyun. I love these two. It's interesting how the shadow goes. So yes. So that's the extras we get here. So just again do a flip through. Okay, so this was version 2. So let's just jump right into version 3. So that will be the blue version. So this will be the photo book. I'm gonna again do a flip through in a bit. And we have the CD. The track list again. So let's look at the pictures. This one's really cute. I love this picture. Look at him. Love it. Then we have the poster again. I actually love how they chose the outfits, like having these two be totally in black, and then these two have the black and red, and then Ki-hyun with the gray. So it's kind of like interesting choice of coloring, which is with the blue background, and I think it's really cool. So yes. Then we have the postcard again. This time it's again Minhyuk, so I have this one twice. Then the photo strip. We have Minhyuk. And the two photo cards. So we have Ki-hyun. Yes, I have a Ki-hyun photo card. I'm not even sure if I have one, I'm gonna be completely honest, like what when it's just him. I have to check. I have to make a flip through my photo cards at some point. But yes, so Ki-hyun. And Juhani and Minhyuk. I'm not sure if this is the same that I got first, or if it's like the same kind of photo shoot but a different picture. I would have to check in the end. But yes, so that's the things I got in this version. So I'm just gonna do a flip through now. Alright, so this is version 3. So now we have one more version to go. And that will be version 4. I guess the gray version. Alright, so again we have the photo book, which is going to be the painting one, and I'm going to have a flip through at the end of this video. Then again we have the CD. The track list. So that's that, and then we have the poster. The postcard, which is Juhani. Then the photo strip is Jungkyun. I guess I have 4 different photo strips. So one is missing. I think it's Juhani. Not sure. I already forgot, like my brain is not here. So yes, we got Jungkyun. I will show all the stuff again in the end. Then we have the photo cards. So we have again Juhani and Minhyuk. I guess this I have it 3 times if I was right. Like this is funny. Like I have the same card 3 times in 4 versions. So, but yes, so there's that. And the last photo card is Kihyun again. Oh my god, I got 2 Kihyun photo cards in this pull. Like, what are the odds? That's amazing. So yes, here we go. So that is everything. And now I'm just gonna go through this photo shoot and then we're done. Alright, so this is the last version. It's actually interesting that they didn't include the that one photo shoot that we got with this fourth photo shoot is when they looked like a painting, like they were painted. And it's not in this book at all, which is interesting. So we only got this as an online release. But yes, so that's everything. So I'm just gonna like quickly collect all the photo cards and everything to just have it all together so we can see what I have. Alright, so here I got all the CDs. All the track lists. The photo books. And the posters. Then those postcards. So we have one Juhani, 2 Minhyuk, and 1 Hyungwon. And then with the photo card strips, we really have 4 different ones. So we have the Minhyuk one, the Ki-hyun one, the Hyungwon one, and the Changkyun one. And with the photo cards, as I said, it's funny, I have this one 3 times. It's kind of ridiculous, but also funny. And then of course the Hyungwon and the Ki-hyun one. And the single ones, I have Juhani, Changkyun, and 2 Ki-hyun. So this is everything I got in this for this comeback, and that's everything for this video. I hope you liked it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!